Herkese merhaba, ben Naci. Just Naci ile İngilizce dersine hoş geldiniz. Bugün sizlere birbirinden değerli 4 yabancı arkadaşımı sizin için misafir ettim ve sizinle kısa bir diyalog halinde olacağız. Hemen başlayalım. Hello everybody, welcome.
Hello, Mr. Naci.
Hello, Mr. Naci.
How are you? Good?
It's good.
Yes, I'm pretty.
It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
It's really a great.
Thank you. Okay. So I want to do some conversation for my students,
Okay.
and I will be very happy to introduce my precious inviters. So I want to start with Mr. Nixon Cadet. He is the star of Istanbul. So let's start with Mr. Cadet.
Hello, everyone. As Mr. Naji said, my name is Mr. Nixon Cadet. I'm Nixon Cadet. I am Haitian American. Why Haitian American? Originally from Haiti. My parents are from there. I was born in New York and raised there. And what else you want me to say?
Yeah, my students, my wonder, what is your age? How old are you?
Oh, really? So I'm 37 years old. This June 8th, I'll be turning exactly 37.
Okay, and what is your job, sir?
Well, that's a very interesting question, actually. I need to take all my time to answer it. My father pushed me to be an accountant, but this is not what I really like. After graduating, I moved to my path. I am an English teacher. I'm a linguist. I do speak many languages, not only English.
Okay, cool. Are you happy in Istanbul?
May I know why you asked this question?
Yeah, I'm just wondering. Yeah.
Okay, so don't get it wrong. Don't get it wrong. Naji is my well friend, okay? We know each other since a long time. He knows actually I was going to answer like this. Well, the answer is yes. You know I'm very happy in Istanbul.
Yes. Where are you from in Turkey?
Yes. First question, where am I from? Now another question, where am I from? I am from Hatay, Boshni. Antakya is the main city, and my area, the area where I'm from, is Boshni. I think you know it, people, right?
Okay, sure. Already Hatay people, so they know you.
I have a question. You are the teacher. I know you are the one asking
Yes.
question. I'm going to ask a question. It's not going to be a bad question.
Please.
What do you like more in Hatay food? Which one?
In Hatay, of course, tepsi kebab.
Kepsi kebab.
Yeah, do you know tepsi kebab?
Yes, I love kepsi kebab. It's amazing. And there's one thing. After eating a kepsi kebab, do not hesitate to go ahead for a... What is it? Please, Mr. Naji, you know. It's a sweet thing.
Ah, künefe.
Yes, I don't want to break down the word. Kinefe in Hatay and kepsi kebab, the best and ever.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Cadet. But first, I want to ask you one more question. What
Go ahead.
languages do you speak?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna go like that. I speak 6 languages,
Okay.
which is English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, French, and Creole. But as for teaching, I only teach French, English, and Spanish. I'm very sure I can teach Portuguese and Italian, but I haven't tried before.
And about Turkish?
What about Turkish? Yes.
I know some very sweet words in Turkish, for example, canım, tatlım, kardeşim, and I know some funny jokes also in Turkish. Sabaha kadar buradayım. Okay.
Thank you very much.
I hope the student will not have a problem because I do some jokes in Turkish. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Nixon Cadet is a funny man, so it's normal. I am used to him, and he's my brother.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
You're welcome, and do not hesitate. Anytime you need me to be around your table for a great speaking in a different topic,
Yes.
which is else than to be, I'm ready.
Thank you very much. I
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate it. Okay, so now let's move to our second inviter. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Louis Saint-Jean Jr., as known as Henri.
I'm sorry, can you say your name again?
Yes, please.
Hello, my name is Louis Saint-Jean Jr., as known as Henri.
Yes. Okay. So can we say junior shortly?
Yeah, Junior shortly.
Okay.
Yes.
Junior. Okay, so where are you from, Mr. Junior?
I'm from Canada.
Okay, cool. And what is your job?
I am an English teacher. I am a journalist, and I am a cameraman, and I am a translator as well.
Wow, cool. Okay, how old are you, by the way?
I am in my 20s.
Okay, super. So, are you happy in Istanbul?
Honestly, Istanbul is one of the greatest cities that I have never visited. And I come to Istanbul, I love the people, I love the Turkish food, I love the tea. You know, I really love the tea. You know, I love tea so much. And I really love my friends because they are very friendly. And I'm very happy to be in Istanbul.
I'm happy that you are happy to be in Istanbul.
Great. I love that vibe. I'm happy that you're happy to be in Istanbul. It's like fun.
Okay, super. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay, so now I want to continue with my third guest, also very precious. So I would like to know more things about him. So welcome, sir. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Marquis Jean-Pierre.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Well, how old are you, sir?
I am 22 years old.
And what's your job?
I can say I am a civil engineer and I am also a teacher.
Wow, very good. Okay, are you happy in Turkey?
To be honest, I am the happiest person we can get in Istanbul.
Okay, super. What is your favorite food in Turkey?
Lahmacun.
Lahmacun.
It's my favorite food.
So, how do we say lahmacun in English? I think they call it like Turkish pizza. Something
Turkish
like this.
pizza.
How would it be? Me, I am totally, disagree with whoever dare translating this to be the Turkish pizza. What would you do with the börek? Börek sounds more like a pizza than lahmacun.
Of course.
Okay, so let's keep it
I hope the
easy.
people watching me give me a thumbs up.
Okay, so let's keep it easy. Lahmacun, we don't translate, we say lahmacun.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
You are right.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. Sir, thank you very much. One more question. How many languages do you speak? Or what languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
Okay.
The first one is Asian Creole, the second one is French, and the third one is English. And I can say I'm on the way to speak Turkish.
Wow, very cool. So what is the first word you learn in Turkish?
Nasılsınız?
Nasılsınız? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir.
Anytime.
Okay, so now we continue
Yes.
with our other guest.
Yeah.
So, hello and welcome, sir.
Hello. Thank you, Mr. Naci. It's okay. Yeah, go ahead.
What is your name?
My name is Forrest Rames.
Okay, Mr. Rames, where are you from?
I'm actually from North America. So you know, North America contains 3 countries.
Okay.
The United States, which is the superpower.
Yes.
Okay.
And right after the United States, we have Canada, and after that, we have Mexico.
Okay.
I am from Canada, and to tell the truth, I'm Canadian.
Okay, super.
Yeah.
So, how old are you, sir?
I'm 24
Are
years
you,
old.
Okay. Are you married or are you single?
Truth to be told, I'm not married. I'm single. I'm sorry.
He's on the way.
He's on the way.
Yes, I'm on the way.
He has a
because-
girlfriend.
Of course I do. Of course I do. And why
His
not?
girlfriend's name is Marulita.
Okay.
Manolita, yes,
So,
I-
what is your girlfriend's name?
My girlfriend's name is Manolita, and I love her
So much.
even more than so much. I don't know how to describe this.
Oh my.
Okay,
Go
super.
ahead.
Okay, so what is your job?
I am a teacher, but I teach so many languages. For example, English, Spanish and French. To tell the truth, I have a big package of 4 languages.
Wow.
Speak 4 languages very well.
So you're a rich man.
Not really. I'm on the way being rich, but to tell the truth,
Mr.
I'm not
Naci,
yet.
you know what? I
Yes,
don't
sir.
like him.
Why?
In the past, I was the only one to be that person in Turkey. Now he takes my place away.
Why? Why?
Mr.
What are you
Nixon
talking
is
about?
jealous.
I'm jealous about you.
No, I don't agree with you. Because
Yeah.
talking about Nixon cadet in Istanbul means a lot to everybody.
Of course, this is the popular main
I
answer.
have a lot of friends like Haitian come to Turkey. I have a lot of Turkish friends when I'm teaching. I say, do you know Nixon cadet? They say, come on.
So many people
Nixon
know
Cadet
him.
is
He's
one
very
of the
popular in Turkey.
Most
say that.
popular
Not only in
English
Turkey, but
teacher in town.
in the Europe continent,
That's
in the
true.
European continent.
I have known Nixon Cadet for almost 6 years, and that's true. He's one of the, even he's number one English teachers in Istanbul.
Of course, so
And
many people are talking about
All
this.
people, they love him very much. I don't know why.
Funny classes.
Coronavirus. Just remember one thing. I am the number one. Don't come to me.
Yes, let's continue.
Okay, good. Good. So are you happy in Turkey, sir?
Of course, and why not?
Okay.
Like Istanbul, this is a very great city, which I
Yeah.
love so much, and this is undescribable for me.
Okay, super.
Really, really beautiful.
Okay.
I love it.
So, do you know some Turkish?
Of course, I'm actually on the way trying to learn some Turkish words.
Who is your Turkish teacher?
Why not you? Of course you are. You're my Turkish teacher.
Yeah, I'm trying to do my best.
Yes, because you
But
taught me
still.
last time about Nasılsın, Benim Adım, and so many other words.
Okay, great. Okay, I really appreciate it to welcome you here.
All the pleasure is for me and should be given back to you.
Well, it was just Naci in the presentation speaking class. I hope you liked it.
Alright. So get my thumbs up. Shout out to my people.
And don't
right
forget
there.
to subscribe.